Welcome back to Was Cooks. So today we're on a Christmas or white chocolate blondie. As you can see, all of our ingredients and our equipment that we're going to need is right here. Okay, there's a pre-prepared tin there which we've lined with greaseproof. We're going to need a microwave. And here's all of our food ingredients. And here's all the equipment we're going to need. So for our brownie, we're going to need flour, white chocolate buttons, butter, caster sugar, cookies, white chocolate and cranberry these are. You can use anything really. And some eggs. Take your eggs, I'm going to crack them into a bowl first. Next, take your butter. Now we're going to microwave this down. Okay, so we're going to put it on a half heat, about a number 3. So we don't want it too hot. Okay, and we're going to set that on just over a minute to start with, depending on your microwave and your power. Pop it in, make sure you got a plastic bowl in there, and then on we go. So we're going to leave that for a minute. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's been in for a minute, and as you can see, it's about half done. So we don't want it to be hot. We don't want that butter to be hot. We just want it to be melted. So give it a quick stir with a spatula. That's it. So mix it all up, and then we can get it nice and liquidy, and that'll be just at the right heat to add later. So next, our flour, we're going to sift it. We're going to sift it through a sieve. There's a sieve. It's got holes in. It will let flour through. So pop your flour in, okay, and then we're going to hit it on the side of our palm. Just shake it through. What this does is this aerates the flour, okay, if any, or take away any lumps that have settled. Okay, that's your flour sieved. Put it aside. Now we're going to whisk our 4 eggs. Pop it in your Kenwood Chef or mixer on the whisk attachment, and then we're going to put our sugar in there as well. Pop it down and then take the whisk up to full speed. Go a bit slowly on this just in case you get any splashes. And keep that going on a fast speed. Okay, for about 4 to 5 minutes that will take. Once it's looking light and fluffy, then we're going to begin adding our butter. So this is why we didn't want our butter too hot. Okay, you want it about blood heat, which is roughly about 37 degrees. So slowly dribble that in. Add it at a nice easy dribble. Okay, slowly does it, don't rush it. And add it all until it's all gone. There you go, and keep whisking it. Now we're going to fold in our flour. Now our flour's been aerated, okay, so this makes it nice and easy to fold in. So with a big metal spoon, and just work your way round that. See how we're going round the bowl and then cutting through. Okay, it's a nice gentle action. And keep going with that until all the flour is incorporated into your mixture. Look at that. Beautiful thing of beauty. Next, we go in with our white chocolate colettes. Look at those. Oh, that looks chocolatey to me. So fold these in the same way we folded the flour in. Once the white chocolate button's all mixed in, then we pop it into our prepared cake tin. Try and handle this as lightly as possible. And don't forget to scrape out those last bits of white chocolate gorgeousness. Spread the mix evenly out until in all corners of your cake tin. Final stage before going into the oven is to pop on our white chocolate and cranberry cookies. Okay, you can put any type of cookies on these, Oreos, custard creams, anything like that, whatever you like. Space the biscuits out nice and evenly. This brownie will do approximately 10 portions, depending on the size of your mouth. Bake at 170 degrees C for about 25 minutes or until firm to the touch. Leave to cool and cut, and then you can garnish however you like. Here we've gone for a Christmassy look as we're getting towards Christmas. Have a great Christmas and goodbye from Was Cooks.